Metro medical experts call the promise of a vaccine so quickly the most exciting development since the beginning of the pandemic.
FOX4 Shannon O'Brien spoke to folks to see if they trust it enough to actually get it. Shannon joins us live at St. Luke's with that part of the story.
Hey, you guys, well, you know this is what we have all been waiting for, a vaccine for COVID-19. Medical experts are excited, and we also talked to some people about whether or not they would hesitate taking a vaccine that has been developed so quickly. Medical experts call the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine with a 90% effectiveness in preventing the virus a game changer in the war against COVID-19.
There's going to be a lot of patients and healthcare providers both who are going to be successfully receiving this vaccine, and I think that there's a whole host of folks in our population who will need to get this vaccine sooner rather than later.
Pfizer is waiting for its final safety test to be complete before getting emergency use clearance from the FDA and rolling out the vaccine before the end of the year.
I mean, you kind of worry about them speeding the process up to try to get one out there. If they've done the proper testing and it's worked on the group of people that they've tested with it, I would be fine with it.
Sarah Husseini is a healthcare professional who has had COVID-19 and believes there's enough study behind the vaccine, so if the FDA clears it, she's in. But maybe not right away.
I think I have immunity that I could check and may not need to do it this year, but next year for sure I will have to.
I think that if we continue to see data regarding efficacy of this vaccine, then I think it'll be just as important as the other vaccines that are commercially available now, such as our influenza vaccine. And I'd recommend anyone who is recommended to receive these vaccines get one.
So the first people who would get the vaccine, if the FDA does approve it, would be those who are critically ill with COVID-19, then also frontline healthcare workers, first responders, and essential personnel. For people like you and me, it could be a year. So what doctors are saying right now is the most important thing that we need to do, because COVID is raging right now, is to wear our masks everywhere, stay away from people, and social distance. Lauren.
Shannon O'Brien live in Kansas City.